So I have to multiply 10 times 1. First, I place my numbers on top of each other with the bigger number on top, remembering to keep the place values lined up. So I would place 10 above the number 1, making sure that the 0 is above the 1 since they both have the same place value. After that, I would draw a line underneath the equation. I would then start to solve the equation. I'll multiply 0 times 1. With our prior knowledge, we know that 0 times 1 equals 0. I would then proceed to write 0 under the line, keeping it in line with the 1's place value. Next, I'll multiply 1 times 1. From our prior knowledge, we know that 1 times 1 is equal to 1. We write the 1 underneath the line in the 10's place value area. So the answer from 10 times 1 equals 10.